About to go get these babies. Let's get it. Let's get it going. And we got front row to the post office, so they know it's money time. But I'm about to go in there and we're about to get this cracking.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Got them! They came in this morning. All of them made it. Yeah, I can't wait to get home and show you. I only live about a minute away from the post office, so.
Always in the lab like I'm trying to cure cancer. Just been moving fast, but I'm trying to move it faster. Whoa, lately the money's been coming in slow, but lately the ladies been loving the flow. I know they feeling the Croosh. 4 in the morning, I'm still in the booth.
And y'all guessed it, we're home. Got these baby chicks right here. I'm about to hop in there and hopefully none of them, none of them are belly up. But I doubt it. I'm gonna get in here and make sure all of them made it, count them out.
Ooh. One, I feel like the one. 99 VIP up in Manhattan, I feel like the one. Hey, guns, I don't have none, but I know people that carry it. So you better run, 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 run. I'm sipping rum, bottles on bottles, they bring to my table, I'm not 21. But fun, I'm having fun.
All right, y'all, so I'm actually just making them some Nature's Magic Water, baby. Let me show you what I'm working with right now. So I've got 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of honey, and this is empty, but it's usually one I get. I get some new ones, don't worry. I'm gonna switch it up because some chops were not the bee's knees, but just know it's better now. We've got their chicken water. Throw them in there. All the garbs, all the garlic cloves. Throw them in. Come back. Get your honey. Just pop it in there. Probably do a little bit more. All right. And like I said, I'm gonna throw some of this in there probably tomorrow. I'll go to the store tonight and get another one, but usually do this. Put a little dash, put a little. And now you really just want to stir this baby up. Get her going. Now we get the real supplies. Ooh. Hey, y'all like how I caught you? Man, I really should have did this when I just brought the chicks in, but it's all good. This is what we're working with. And had to get the bedding. So this is going to be the main setup. What you got to do first is you have to put bedding on the bottom of this, because the chickens, what they're going to be doing is the baby chicks are going to be walking along this grate, and all their droppings and all their feces and the waste, it's going to hit the bottom of that, and hopefully you've got some pine shavings on the bottom and everything's going to be squared away. But we definitely got to get this going because I've got a ton of homework that I got to finish. It just keeps smell down, makes cleanup easier, in my opinion. Honestly, it smells just like Home Depot in this bag. It smells like Home Depot. Thicker than a Snicker.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
There we go. Put this to the side. Jeez. All right. Let's get this. Put this over.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
Y'all, here they are, all 20 chicks, huddled up in the sunlight. I'm about to move them into the garage, put the heat lamp on, have them in there because it's been cold at night, cold for little baby chicks. I don't want to have them out here. And then when Kylie gets here, I'm going to have the feed right here next to the water. They're going to love it. Yeah, these hens really aren't going to be able to see these chicks for a little bit. They're going to be on separate parts of the yard. So this might be one of the only times they ever interact. What up? This one's got a little bum leg. Take a hop. But yeah, I'm gonna get these girls moved into the garage. Hey, I know these ones are gonna need names, so y'all tell me the little puff balls. There we are. All right, but that's that for this video.